How to add Roblox gift card codes on PS4 and PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to redeem Roblox gift card codes even you're playing on PS4 and PS5. Since the PlayStation version of Roblox doesn't let you redeem codes directly, I'll show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a web browser. On your PC, or even your PS4 and PS5 browser, open any internet browser. Step 2. Go to the official Roblox redeem page. Type roblox.com/redeem. Press enter to go to the website. Step 3. Log into your Roblox account. Make sure you log into the same account you used to play Roblox on your PlayStation. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. Type the code exactly as shown on the card. Then, click the redeem button. Step 5. Confirm your balance. If the gift card adds Robux, you will see it added right away. If it gives you credit, click on Convert to Robux to turn into Robux. Step 6. Launch Roblox on your PS4 and PS5. Open Roblox on your console. Make sure you log into the same account where you redeemed the code. Now, you can use your Robux directly into the game. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to redeem Roblox gift cards on PS4 or PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.